Hello everyone. Today is 23 September 2021. My name is Akash Dikshit. Today we discuss about the JDK, JRE and JRE and JVM. Firstly, what is the JDK? JDK is the Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a key platform. It is a key platform component that can be used to development and build the Java application and Java programming. The JDK, it is the main part of the Java programming to execution. The heart of the JDK is called as the Java compiler. The JDK consists of three technologies that are the JVM, JRE. First, we know the importance about these three core technologies and how they can be connected to each other. Firstly, the JVM. The JVM is also the platform component that can be used to run and execute the program and Java applications. And JRE is on disk of the Java. It can be used to create the JVM. The JDK is allows to programmer to create a Java programming, and it can be execute and run with the help of JVM and JRE. What is the JVM? The JVM is the Java Virtual Machine. JVM is also the platform component that can be used to execute the program. But the JVM can provide the environment to run and execution the Java programming and Java applications. The JVM can be called the main method in a given program. It means the JVM can directly call the main method in a present given program of a language, and Java programming language is called as a write one and run anywhere. Because of in a programmer can be write a program in one system of the Java, and it can be run or execute in any other system of a Java. Then what is the JRE? JRE is the Java runtime engine. The Java runtime engine, it can be provide in Java runtime engine. It can be provide environment to execute the given program of a Java language and the Java applications. The JVM is the part of the JDK. It can be used to execute the program, but it cannot be used to execute independently the byte independently to execute the byte in a program. The difference between JVM and JVM, JRE and JDK. Firstly, JDK is the main technology. In between JRE and JVM can be working. The JDK is the development kit. It can be working on the it can be work with the basis of the JVM and JRE. JVM firstly execute the program, but JVM is depend on the JRE, because JRE is create the JVM in a given programming language. But JVM and JRE, it can be provide the environment for the execution and the run for the Java application and the Java programming. The JVM, it can be operate on the given activities that are loading, linking, and initialization. on this activity JVM can be work.